Every iconic building has a foundation, but in the case of Antilia, the story begins long before the first concrete column was poured. The land itself has one of the most debated histories associated with any private residence in India. Antilia stands on a 4,532 square meter or roughly 48,800 square foot plot on Altamount Road in South Mumbai, an area often referred to as India's Billionaire's Row. With some of the highest real estate prices in the country, acquiring land in this neighborhood is an extraordinary challenge. Before becoming the site of Mukesh Ambani's home, the property housed the Kurimboy Ibrahim Koja Yatimkhana, an orphanage established in 1895 by philanthropist Kurimboy Ibrahim, a wealthy shipowner. The orphanage was created to provide shelter, education, and care for underprivileged children from the Koja community and operated on the site for more than a century. In 2002, the trust managing the orphanage sought permission from the charity commissioner to sell the property. After receiving approval, the land was sold to Antilia Commercial Private Limited, a company controlled by Mukesh Ambani. Reports at the time stated that the sale price was approximately 21 crore rupees, while critics argued that the market value of the property was significantly higher because of its prime location in South Mumbai. When people first look at Antilia, the towering structure immediately stands out against Mumbai's skyline. But what many don't realize is that its unique appearance wasn't created simply to showcase wealth. Every major design decision was intended to blend modern engineering with elements of Indian culture, making the building unlike any other private residence in the world. The architectural design of Antilia was developed by the internationally renowned American architecture firm Perkins and Will. Instead of designing a traditional mansion spread across acres of land, the architects embraced a vertical concept. In a city like Mumbai, where land is both scarce and among the most expensive in the world, building upward was a practical solution as well as a powerful architectural statement. The inspiration behind Antilia draws heavily from nature and Indian tradition. Designers incorporated recurring motifs based on the lotus flower and the sun, two symbols that hold deep cultural significance in India. The lotus represents purity, growth, and prosperity, while the sun symbolizes energy, life, and strength. Rather than using these symbols as simple decorations, the architects integrated them into the building's overall design language. When you first see Antilia, it doesn't look like a traditional mansion. It doesn't even resemble a typical skyscraper. Rising high above Mumbai's skyline, Mukesh Ambani's home is a one-of-a-kind architectural masterpiece designed to blend luxury, engineering, and Indian cultural heritage into a single structure. The design of Antilia was created by the internationally acclaimed American architecture firm Perkins and Will, while the interiors were crafted by Hirsch Bedner Associates, one of the world's leading hospitality design firms. Their goal wasn't simply to build one of the largest private homes on earth, it was to create a residence unlike anything the world had ever seen. Instead of constructing a sprawling estate across acres of land, the architects embraced a vertical design. Mumbai is one of the most densely populated cities in the world, where land is extremely limited and incredibly expensive. Building upward allowed the residents to maximize space while creating a dramatic landmark on the city's skyline. One of the biggest sources of inspiration came from traditional Indian culture. Throughout the building, you'll find architectural themes inspired by the lotus flower and the sun. The lotus has long symbolized purity, prosperity, and spiritual growth, while the sun represents life, power, and energy. These symbols are subtly woven into the building through geometric patterns, decorative elements, lighting features, and custom interior finishes. Building Antilia wasn't like constructing an ordinary luxury home. It was more like building a high-rise commercial tower combined with a five-star hotel, all while meeting the standards of a private residence. Every stage of the project demanded advanced engineering, precision manufacturing, and years of careful planning. Construction of Antilia began in 2006 on Altamount Road in Mumbai, one of the most expensive residential locations in the world. Before work could even begin above ground, engineers had to prepare a foundation capable of supporting an enormous vertical structure weighing hundreds of thousands of tons. Extensive geological surveys were carried out to study the soil conditions and determine the best foundation system for the site. The project relied heavily on reinforced concrete, structural steel, and high-strength construction materials. Thousands of tons of senti